Howdy, Wall Street Willie. Why is long-term care insurance important? Statistics show that around 70% of people 65 and older will need long-term care services, and these services can be quite expensive. Long-term care insurance can provide peace of mind that these expenses will not deplete your retirement savings or require family members to take on a significant financial burden. There is a common misconception that Medicaid fully covers long-term care. Remember, Medicaid is only available to low-income households and only after they have spent virtually all their savings. Also, the choice is often limited to nursing homes that accept Medicaid. On the other hand, long-term care insurance gives you many care options. You can even get in-home care, as it pays for a caregiver, housekeeper, therapist, or nurse up to the policy maximum. What's not covered by long-term care insurance? It won't pay for medical expenses related to treating illnesses, surgeries, or medications. That's what regular health insurance is for. Some long-term care policies may deny care for drug or alcohol addiction or war-related injuries. Some policies also exclude certain pre-existing conditions, like a heart condition or past cancer diagnosis, if they weren't disclosed when you purchased the policy. Even if they don't fully deny coverage for pre-existing illnesses, they may not cover care for pre-existing conditions for a certain period after the coverage starts. Finally, if you are older than 80, suffering from memory loss, or not able to perform daily self-care at the time of applying for the policy, you are unlikely to qualify. Do I need long-term care insurance? Long-term care insurance can be a smart purchase since it can provide immense peace of mind and save you a lot of money. It's a good choice if you have a poor family medical history, don't have family nearby to assist, have a high income and won't qualify for Medicaid, or can afford the premiums including future increases. However, it may not be for everyone. If you are confident that you won't need long-term care or not for an extended time, then you can also save for long-term care costs yourself. Also, you shouldn't opt for long-term care insurance if you find the premiums too high for your situation, or you have very few assets and qualify for Medicaid. What should I keep in mind when buying long-term care insurance? That's a great question, Super Cooper. Watch the video on your screen to find out. Thank you very much, Wall Street Willie. You're welcome, Super Cooper. Remember, finance is your friend.